Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track an ACBuy parcel. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to acbuy.com. Then from here, make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, hover over with your mouse of your user profile. You're going to see more options. We want to go ahead and click onto the order option. Now this is where all your orders are going to appear here. So basically we need to get our tracking number from your ACBuy order page or shipping confirmation email. Now this is the thing we need to get. So where it says order number, we want to go ahead and copy that order number. So ACBuy supplies a tracking number once your parcel ships. So I cancel this order. So this is my order number here, but they should also send you a tracking number too. Now once you've got your tracking number, so find your order, click into it, there should be a tracking number. And then we need to go ahead and use a universal tracker. So we can use 17Track or Parcels app. So I'm over at 17track.net and then go ahead and put in your tracking number and then go ahead and click on track. Or we can use the parcel apps tracking as well. Then from here, go ahead and put in your tracking number, track package. Now, if I go back to 17Track, now if 17Track shows a carrier name, try that carrier site because this could be anything. So if the tracker identifies a carrier, for example, AC Logistics, Yan Express, China Post, etc., open that carrier's official tracking page and paste the same number, similar to what you've done like so in here. Now, sometimes the carrier site has more detailed local scans. Now, if the parcel hands off to your country's postal service, so once it reaches your country, tracking often moves to the national post. For example, I'm in Australia, so it's going to go to Australia Post. If 17Track shows the handoff, use the local post site with the same number for the final mile updates.